Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Dior has launched recently a collection of nude lipsticks with nude lip liner. I have picked up a few and I think honestly it's one of the best quiet luxury collection. And I think we don't really talk about a quiet luxury in terms of makeup, but this is definitely one. If you had like that makeup, no makeup look, that neutral makeup look, you're going to love those lip liners and lipsticks. So there are a few shades of them. There are matte and satin finish. So the velvet is the matte finish. So in the lipsticks, I have quite a few actually that I have picked up. So there is shade 100. The 100 is Nude Look Velvet. So this is your 100. And I will swatch them on my arm so you guys can see. And I will put the lip liner as well with it so we can do like a matchy thing. So this is 100 Nude Look. This is such a beautiful nude color. It's got a bit of a beige pink into it. This is your everyday neutral color. Then you have Rouge Dior 300 Nude Style. So it's all that nude style collection. I really like this one. It's a bit more dark, a bit darker. It's got just a little bit more a cooler undertone to it. It's got a bit of a purple grayish. So that's this one here, 300. Absolutely love it. And the formula is beautiful. If you like something that really hydrates your lips, stay there for quite some time, to be honest. It's very long lasting. You're going to love this. And then we have 200, that is a satin one. It's Nude Touch. So that is the one. So 200 was already existing. So that is this one. It's very close to the 300. It's just a little bit more beige and sorry, 100. This is 100. And obviously it's a satin finish. But equally the formula is beautiful. And then we have here, sorry, I've got a few lipsticks out. 400, that is Nude Line, and that is a velvet shade. This is dark. Don't get me wrong, I know it's dark, but honestly this, you can do like an ombre look with a red in the middle and the dark lip liner. It's beautiful. And look at this. Oh, gorgeous. It's got a bit of a purple to it. Wow. Now for the lip liners, I do have picked up a few ones. I have 5 lip liners, and honestly I love all of them. I'm a big fan of a nude lip, but nude doesn't necessarily mean that we don't see your lipstick. It's just that muted kind of color. So we have 310, that is Beige Tulle. Oops, I opened the wrong bit, and they all come with the sharpener. So this is your beige, the 310. I think we can probably match it with this one. This is going to be gorgeous. So that's the one here at the top. It's a beige, really nice beige. It is gorgeous. They're all matte, obviously. Then I picked up 100 Nude Look that we're gonna put with here. Look at this. This is a perfect match. And obviously the lip liner will be a bit darker than the lipstick. So it's going to give you that really nice look on your lip. Also, I have picked up 329 Nude Blush. This is just it's got a bit more pink to it. That's this one here. They're all matching the lipsticks, and obviously you could play with them and just swap the colors and try different combo. Then this one, I've used this one before. I absolutely love it. Is shade 303 Grège Attitude. I'm gonna put it here at the end. It's kind of like the Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever, but just a little bit more brownish instead of gray. I love this lip liner. Love, love, love. And then I have 001 Midnight that goes with the dark lipstick. So this one here. So if you like to do like a proper red lip with a darker contour, this is absolutely stunning. So these are the new lip liner with the lipsticks. I love the collection. The formula is really, really long lasting. The lip liners, honestly, if you need a proper makeup remover to remove them, you can't just use a Kleenex or a cotton. It's not going to move. So this is great because you can apply it in the morning, off you go, you do your errands, and then you know it's going to stay in place. I really, really love this collection. I don't feel like we've talked much about this. They kind of went a bit under the radar, and also because there's so many holiday collection, it's crazy. I've tried to order most of them without breaking the bank, and honestly, each brand has a really nice makeup collection for the holiday, except a few ones that I'm like, but I'll make a whole video on this. I do have an opinion on some brands and some collection, and I'm sure you guys will agree. So I think let's try a few of them on my lips. So now I'm going to go with a much darker lip. So I'm going to go with my lip liner number 001, sorry. It's the Dior Midnight, so the darker purple one. So that's a lip liner. I know it looks completely ridiculous now, but I'm going to add the lipstick, and so obviously the lipstick is not as dark as the lip liner, and this lip liner would be beautiful with a dark, a bright red, the 999 from Dior. I know it's quite dark, but I think there's a time and a place for a lip like this. I think if you have like a soiree or something that you dress up for it, I think it's beautiful. You do a very simple eye makeup look. I love it. I think it's really nice. And I think it all looks much darker here on the camera than what I'm seeing here in person. But if you have this shade, so this is the 999 from Dior in Velvet, you can also mix it with it. I'm going to add some just to show you. It doesn't have to be as dark. And just add, you could obviously remove the dark lipstick and just add the red. See, already it changes the look completely. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I think, you know, you got it there and try and play with some other shades. So this is with some of the red in the middle. I think it just gives that really nice look. Obviously, it's a very dark lip, but it's nice. There's nothing wrong with having a dark lip and a much lighter skin. Obviously, if you have a very dark skin, it's not going to be the same look. It's going to be looking spectacular on you, but you can play with the shade. It's fine. I think, you know, it's makeup. Go for it. Try a different combo. So I'm going to use the lip liner 329, that is Nude Blush. So I'm going to line my lips with, whoops, lost the cap. This is such a nice lip liner. It's your perfect everyday lip liner. And the formula is amazing. Look at this shade of lip liner. If you want to get like that fuller look, that plumpiness look, you need a lip liner like this. It's just your lips but better kind of look. And obviously I overline my lips, so I go a bit over. I'm obsessed with this collection. Now I'm going to use the lipstick 300 Nude Style, and I'm going to keep the middle part of my lips empty with no lipsticks. Like this. And in the middle, I'm going to use the lipstick shade 100, that is Nude Look. And voila. This is the lipstick look. I mean, it's everything. This look is everything. That's your everyday nude lip, but has a little bit more to it. It's not just a boring beige. Well, in my opinion, I think it's very sophisticated and it's giving volume to your lips. It looks healthy, and you can wear this to any event. You can wear this on a, you know, like there's no need for occasion, or you can equally wear this for an occasion. Super easy to recreate. I love the look. It's giving a healthy full lip kind of look. And yeah, so that's with the new product from Dior, from that nude collection. Nude doesn't always necessarily mean that we don't see the lipstick. I think it's just the theme of shades, and you can wear this with pretty much any makeup. I have a very neutral makeup today, but you could be having a full glam makeup and having a lip like this. I think this is really, really nice. And you can create so many combos. So if I go back to my hand, I have used this lip liner with this lipstick and this lipstick together. So sometimes, you know, it looks different on your hand than it is on your lips, and that's totally normal because the color of your lips is obviously a different color as your skin. So I would say always try, you know, when you order online, sometimes it's hard to see. It's better probably if you go in store, if you can. Otherwise, a lot of websites now have those try on virtual, and they're pretty accurate, I have to say. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a very nice and flattering look. And those lipsticks have the new formula in it, so they're super hydrating, they're packed with skincare, they last super long. So I would say exfoliate your lips gently before you apply your lipstick, no matter what. I use my toothbrush, to be honest. And yeah, you're gonna be set for the whole day. You'll have to touch up obviously when you eat, but they do last really long. I'm curious to know what you guys think. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Do you like this look? Is it a lip that you would, a lip style, I guess, color that you would wear? I think it's very wearable. Anyone can pull this off. Yeah, let me know down below in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed today's short video. I think this is such a beautiful collection, so get your hands on it. It's not limited edition, but they tend to sell really fast. Because when I went in Sephora in France, they didn't have any of the lip liner. So yeah, if you like it, don't sleep on it, basically. So let me know down below in the comments what you think. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. Thanks for joining. And if you've not subscribed yet, please do so. It means a lot to me. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.